welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we are doing another first impressions. There's a brand new product which has just launched today from the Quick Flick. I've already tried out the original Quick Flicks in all 3 sizes. I do have a tutorial kind of review here on my channel if you guys wanted to check it out. But this baby is a whole nother level. This is their brand new To The Point wing. I have not used this yet. I'm going to be trying it out for the first time today here on camera. I've already kind of concealed under my brows, given myself a fake monobrow, and done some eyeshadow as well. Prepped, ready for this. So I'm going to read a little bit of the packaging. It says, get the point with the Quick Flick's modern take on a classic wing. Inspired by our OG Quick Flick shape, To The Point is our sassiest and sharpest sister to join the fam. Channel your inner badass and up your wing game. Where will your wings take you? Oh my gosh, love it, love it. Okay, so just like the original Quick Flick, you get 2 pens in here. The pens themselves are this kind of holographic chrome pink goodness. Oh my gosh. As far as I know, I think there is just 1 size available in this. I don't have all the facts. I will link the Quick Flick website in the description box below if you guys wanted to go and check it out. But this is meant to be a ton sharper and just pointier than the original. I will be comparing it with the original as well. Like the original, you have a left one and a right one. So on one side you have a standard felt tip kind of pen, which enables you to do super thick lines, really thin, crisp lines, and lots of kind of designs. Whatever you want to be able to do with it, you can. It is a felt tip applicator, but it is flexible on the end, so you do get a lot of control with it. Just ease of use, I guess. With the end is the actual stamp. Now this stamp is a lot thinner, crisper than the original. It also has a little bit of a different kind of shape when it comes to the tip of the point. Definitely super crisp and just amazing. So I will just show you quickly compared to the original wing. This has almost like a bit of a curve to it. So it is definitely a lot thicker, a lot chunkier compared to this baby. Hazel's happily playing here, so don't mind the baby noises as well. It is 42 degrees today, so my aircon is going full bore. I do apologize for any background noise because it's hot. So I do have hooded eyes myself. I have quite a kind of droop in the outer portion where the wing normally sits. So it is going to be interesting to see how this new skinny liner is going to work, if it's actually going to show up on my eyes, if it's just going to disappear into nothing. We'll see, we'll see. I am just gonna go ahead, this is the left-hand one, and we are gonna just stamp away. It could almost look like it could double as a both side wing, so I'm basically just making sure that it's kind of lining up. The longer tip is at the bottom portion, and that's what's gonna go from the bottom edge of your wing. So just make sure that you've got it kind of lined up in the correct way. I did hear a tip the other day from someone saying they actually do is use the felt tip and just do 2 tiny dots either side of their eyes, and then they can match up the tips with that. That way they ensure that the wings are on exactly the same angle, because I know some people can struggle with getting them, you know, on the same angle. So I am just gonna go ahead and we're gonna try this out and see where it takes us. So I'm just using my eyes open. I'm just having a look, lining it up. Wow, that is crisp. What I'm gonna do now is go in with the felt tip section and just line the rest of my eye. I love how crisp that is. What I do want to do is just fill in a little bit of that hollow section, just because of my hooded eyes. I feel like eyes closed, amazing. Eyes open, it just kind of sucks in there, and that's not because of the Quick Flick, it's just because of my eyes. So for you guys out there, if you've got very similar eyes to me, this is what you have to do. Just where that kind of hollow point is, I'm just gonna build it up. So I just did like a little kind of loop in that section. And you see that has just like smoothed it right out. Oh my gosh, in love. So I'm gonna try on the other eye now. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Same on this eye, I'm just gonna fill in that little bit here. And oh my gosh. Amazing. Okay, so rest of my makeup has been applied and oh my gosh. I freaking love this so much. I thought that, well, I'm not gonna say I thought that I loved the original. I do love the original. The Grand was my favorite, but I feel that this just gives you a whole different spin on the winged liner. Because it's slimmer, it's more kind of streamlined. I find that, well, I feel a lot more elegant with it. I feel like this is a lot more timeless, a lot more classic. And it's good to know that you can obviously tailor make it to suit hooded eyes as well, depending on, you know, everyone's eye shape is so different. But for me personally, I could definitely tailor make it to suit my eyes. I feel that, you know, it really gives my eyes an elongated look. My eyes feel a lot bigger. I just love how this looks, and not saying I don't love the original, because I do, but it is a lot more chunky, it is a lot heavier, and it's just a lot more full on. I feel that this is like perfect for work, perfect for every day, perfect still to go out and feel glamorous and like pin-up glam kind of look. It's not too full on, but at the same time, it is just stunning and eye-catching and just immaculately perfect. I don't know. This is just what I feel. I love it so much, so much. Definitely for people with hooded eyes, you will need to kind of tailor make it a little bit more. I did need to build up in certain areas just to ensure that it kind of still looked even on my eyes, but it is still definitely doable. It's very, very wearable. I love it. I love it so much. I have obviously added some little glitter particles to my eyes just to kind of incorporate the hollow feel of the packaging. I am very impressed. Normally I always shy away from super skinny wings or things like this because I feel like with my eyes it just doesn't work. I feel like I always look strange, or I've got just this weird kind of stick hanging out. So this is probably the first time that I have actually done a very skinny sharp wing, because normally, yeah, I do stick to more thicker ones, and I love it. I feel very glamorous. And yeah, I feel good. That is my kind of first impressions of trying out this product. I highly recommend it. If you find the originals are too much for you, if you find that they're too chunky or too thick or whatever, give this a go. If you love a more streamlined, sharp, crisp, it will cut you wing, or if you just like to feel a little bit more kind of classic and elegant in a way. Not saying that, you know, people with big wings are not elegant. This honestly is your go-to. I think this is going to actually suit a much wider range of people than the standard ones. I know the standard ones come in 3 sizes and everything like that, but this is just like on another level, like another, yes. Amazing. As I said, I will link their website in the description box below. I know that you can purchase these from Priceline. I'm not sure if the new one will be available in Priceline or not. Thank you, Rainbows, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Hit the bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and Happy New Year as well. It's the 1st. Oh my God. Yes. 2019 is going to be a good year, I can tell.